We divide 411 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 1 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now put down this 1 and it is 11. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it is 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 means 10 and subtracting we get 0. So 411 divided by 2 is 205 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.